We're currently in the eye of the storm, the eye of Nicholas. Nicholas was the tropical storm that turned into a hurricane that totally slammed into the Texas coast. This is not the Texas coast. This is actually the edge of our pool. But you can see that here there is a lot of debris. And this is just devastating. This shows the power of what a mini tropical storm slash potential on and off hurricane can do. I mean, look at this. That palm frond fell all the way from up there. If someone had been standing here underneath, can you imagine? And look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. These came from this tree. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. This was a very powerful storm. Here, let me just go ahead and do this minor repair. Okay. Okay, that's back. Okay, that's good. Okay, now here we can just kind of survey, this is what the storm did. If we look over here, well, the devastation's not so apparent. But this, wow. Let's just take a look over here. We're looking at the remnants. By the way, we are currently in the eye of the storm. So it could power back up here at any moment. And wow, that is going to be some cleanup. These things that fell out of the tree. All of this stuff came tumbling down from what had to be 10 feet maybe. Look at this. Wow. Oh, and here you can kind of see a bird's eye view back towards the house. But that just gives you an idea of the power of what a tropical storm can do.